This piece here,
I'd like to take this for a rip.
1940 Ford, 2-ton, 300 GPM, Bickle Seagrave pump. And this truck replaces steamers.
Okay, yeah.
This one here, 63 Chev. When it was retired, the city used it as a water truck for the streets.
Oh, yeah.
And then they sold it to one of the gold miners. He took the tank off and put a flat deck on it and sold it as a service truck. They put the tank on another truck and it became a fuel truck out in the gold fields.